Hello everyone. Selling products in Shopify is a very easy way because by using Shopify we can create our online store in few minutes. Within 15 minutes or 30 minutes we can run your store and start selling in Shopify. In this case, how can you sell only one item on Shopify? This video explains about this topic. Or you think e-commerce is a playground of multi-product sellers? If you think like that, that's not true. $1 million businesses like Casper or Spanx all started with just only one product. So starting a store for only one product is a lot of advantages. Actually, what is one product Shopify store? The name says it all. You sell only one product. It may be a digital product like educational ebooks, courses, or services, or any niche related product, niche specific product, particular niches like pet accessories, software tools, like that. The another category is a general product. For example, waterproof phone covers. Just we create a store for waterproof phone covers only. We create a store for particular category of product or single product. This is called one product Shopify store. By creating one product Shopify store, we have a lot of benefits. Because all things for only one product. We do all things for only one product. Our time, energy and resources, everything we spend for one product. So we can reach wider audience. We can run our ad campaigns to the larger audience. We can create a help center for a strong branding. Designing and managing a one product store is a very less competitive. It's a very less complicated one. It's not a very huge complicated. It's a very simple thing because we are focusing on only one product for a very large audience, very huge audience. So the next, how to build a one product Shopify store. Here I want to say just points one by one. The first thing, get your own product. First, you prepare for your product. You need to do some analysis. For example, you can join any Facebook groups or forums or blog posts. You can get the idea from these sources. So you can grab the very best performing product, the current market trending product you can get. After you decided one particular product you want to promote, then you go to the design part. Of course, you can do the designing works in the Shopify trial period. They are providing a 14 days trial period. So this trial period is enough to you to complete your store and ready to start marketing on there. In designing wise, the store must be very user friendly and simple is good to start. I suggest you to use Shopify free theme in your starting stages. You don't need to pay for a premium theme in initial stages. Just use the free theme and keep your design very simple and user friendly. Then you need a branding plan. How to promote your blog, how to promote your store through your blog or videos. There is a lot of possibilities you can use. You must have a business plan. That's a branding plan. Do that one by one as per your branding plan. Then only you go to the preparing your website content for your branding. Also, the another one thing is important, that's a social media. You must have a social proof for your website. These are the essential things to create. You need to create your web store. Once you created your web store, you are ready to market it. Most of the Shopify sellers using Facebook advertisement. You can get the very targeted audience from there. I want to share you some successful one-page Shopify stores now. You can review those stores and you will get some idea. The first one I want to share, Ratio Coffee. It's a coffee machine. It's a coffee machine. The design is very simple. They have some very less quantity products. The site makes very best sales in every month. The second one I want to see you. The second one I want to suggest, Truff Hot Sauce. This site have very clean and simple design. See? You must keep your design very simple. The third one I want to give an example is this site, Dry Robe. This is a one product store created in Shopify. Very attractive site. Maybe they are using a premium theme. You can use a premium theme after getting some sales. So first initially you start with free theme. That's great. I hope this video is helpful to you. If you have any questions, just post in the comment box. Thank you for watching. See you again on next video. Until then, bye.